In this question, we have to evaluate this integral. First, let us make the substitution that t square is equal to e to the power x minus 1. Then differentiating both the sides, we get 2t into dt is equal to e to the power x into dx. Or dx is equal to 2t into dt divided by t square plus 1. So our integral becomes integral e to the power x minus 1 square root into dx is equal to integral t into t into dt divided by t square plus 1. This is equal to 2 into integral t square divided by t square plus 1 into dt. This is equal to 2 into integral 1 minus 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. We integrate term by term, so we get this is equal to 2 into integral dt minus 2 into integral 1 by t square plus 1 into dt. This is equal to 2t minus 2 into tan inverse of t plus c. This is equal to where t is equal to square root of e to the power x minus 1. So we get 2 into e to the power x minus 1 square root minus 2 into tan inverse of e to the power x minus 1 square root plus c, where c is a constant of integration, and that is our final expression for the integral. This is our final answer.